Why does my firewall block legitimate traffic after configuration? Imagine setting up your network security only to find that some of your important applications just won't connect. It can be frustrating, but understanding why this happens can save you time and headaches. Firewalls are designed to protect your system by controlling incoming and outgoing network traffic based on rules. But if those rules are too strict or not set up correctly, they can accidentally block the traffic you actually want to allow. One common reason is overly restrictive rules. For example, if you block all incoming traffic except for a few ports, you might unintentionally stop necessary connections. Many applications need specific ports open to work properly. If those ports aren't included in your rules or if you forget to create exceptions, legitimate traffic gets blocked. Another issue is rule conflicts or duplication. Sometimes, you might have multiple rules that overlap or contradict each other. If a deny rule is processed before an allow rule, the traffic gets blocked. Firewalls process rules in order, so the sequence matters a lot. If a broad deny rule comes first, it can prevent even the traffic you want to permit later in the list. Incorrect access control lists are also a problem. These lists specify who or what can access certain network resources. If they are misconfigured, they might restrict legitimate users or devices from connecting. For example, a user might be blocked from accessing shared files because their device isn't included in the allowed list. The type of operating system also influences how rules are created and managed. Windows firewalls use graphical interfaces and PowerShell commands, which can lead to mistakes if settings are too broad. Linux firewalls like iptable or nftables are managed through command line scripts, and complex rules can cause accidental blocks if not carefully checked. macOS firewalls tend to focus on application permissions, so denying an app access can block legitimate network activity. To prevent these issues, it's good to regularly review your firewall rules and logs. This helps you see what traffic is being blocked and why. Always test new rules in a controlled environment before applying them to your main network. Keep detailed records of what each rule does and why it exists. Using centralized management tools can help you spot conflicts across multiple systems. Training your team on how to properly set up and manage firewall rules is also key. When you understand the rules, purpose, and how they process traffic, you can avoid common pitfalls. Monitoring logs regularly allows you to catch and fix blocks early, saving you from surprises later. In short, your firewall might block legitimate traffic after configuration because of rules that are too strict, conflicting, or not properly tested. Understanding how rules work within your operating system's firewall system and following best practices can help you keep your network both secure and accessible.